In this video, I will show with you step by step how to apply your personal loan in BBVA bank. So friends, in order to apply your loan, follow me on this video guide. Go to Google, search for loan BBVA, click on this research. As you can see here, click personal loan. You will see this page. From here, all you have to do, you have this page, apply for loans, click start. If you want to apply for personal loan or reform, click start calculations, and then scroll down. If you have a customer or I am customer, if you are not customer, click this one, click a request. As you can see here, when you click on request, you will see this page. You will apply for loan BBVA, click on start. From here, you need to know your personal data here. So this is first we need to know. Write your all information for personal loan. So write your name and click I have understand. And you have a form. This one, you can download this file for the form. You can read this form. And then you can start. Click next. Write your identity DNI. Click next. Choose your birthday, as you can see here, and then choose your month. After that, choose year, click next, choose your residence, and then click next. After that, you will see all details, complete your all details here, and then you can apply it successfully. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.